Assalamu alaikum. The date is 10th July 2025. Time is 3:58 p.m. I'm starting the recording a little late today. It's because actually I was setting my PC up, and also because today's plan is going to be very simple. We are going to be trading Tesla. Tesla is not exactly in play, but we are seeing good volume coming in on Tesla. Let's just confirm if this is only on Tesla or all the other companies as well. No, I mean nothing too crazy. Did an important news come out? Anyway, these are today's movers. Copper names because Trump has confirmed 50% tariff on US copper imports effective August 1st. So these companies are certainly affected. Copper related companies, and Tesla is just something we trade. And today I'm going to keep the plan very simple. Today, if Tesla holds above 302.5, we go long. If it fails that area, we go short. Just very simple plan. Let's quickly go through the AMD is in news. It was upgraded at HSBC. Let's go through the bytes. Bite-sized news. Broad gains across European bourses. Euro stocks 50 plus 0.3 FTSE. I'll just save this for later. None of this is. Taco is Trump always chickens out trade and play. Traders eyeing a potential EU-US tariff deal, adding a risk on rotation. Okay, with all the news done, this is what Tesla looks like today. It might change in the future, so we need to save it for for record. And let's quit this and focus on the planning. The plan is going to be very simple. If Tesla holds above this area, if Tesla holds above this area, if it holds any level in this area, we go long. If it fails to hold, if we see big sell orders, like for example, do we see big sell orders in this area right now? Tesla is trading here. Do we see any big sell orders in Tesla? How big is the question. 10.2 I see. Let's make this bigger so everyone can see what I'm saying. I see 10.2, 11.3. So these are not big orders. 9,000 is not big order for Tesla. 20,000 would be considered big order. So that is what we need to eye. Yeah. So this is the graph on this thing. We are seeing 8,000. We are seeing 4,500 buy orders being placed at a time. We are seeing 4,000 here. Consistent 4,000 in this area. So I guess around 8,500 orders in this area broke the price. Broke the 300 margin. Maybe 303 area needs something bigger. Let's see, the plan is very simple. If Tesla holds this area, if it like consolidates and then tries to go upwards, we go long. If it fails to break this area, we go short. Today's plan is going to be very simple. 60 is fair size. So let's just go with that. I will pause the video because that is all the plan that I'm making today. And the reason why I made this plan is because if you look at one day, majority of the volume was done in this wick area. That means Tesla really tried to break this area, but it failed. Today we want to see that break. Today we want to see Tesla break this level and go higher. That is what we are banking on. The idea is very simple today. So let's just go with that. Inshallah, see you in 25 minutes. Okay, the market is about to open any second now. 15 seconds left. Tesla is trying to hold up 300, but all of the sellers here were absorbed. You want to try and go short? Okay, 300, 301, 5,000 buys. A lot of selling, 15,000. Okay, let's go short here at 301.4. SL above, SL right there. If it crosses 302, then you will sit down and evaluate. Okay, it crossed. Uh-huh. Again short. Again. Big sale order at 303. 25,000. I'm eating fruit, so I don't know if you are hearing a chewing sound. I'm sorry if you are. Okay, Tesla rallies makes a new high. 66,000 orders destroyed in seconds. My god. We go short here. Bro, we go short here. Are you kidding me? If even this level is broken, then we are out for sure. Am I out or not? I guess I should have been more patient. Buyers were coming in like a truck pushing the price higher. I'll put my SL. If I see this level being held, I'm going long. Stop loss execution. Okay, let's go long. Horrible way to trade, but I don't know. I'm learning. No way. Hmm. This would be good entry. This is where you entered, I guess. 11,000 sale orders. The market needs to hold above 302. I should have used limit orders, you know. That's okay. Hmm. Okay. The market is saying above 302, which is very, very good. But let's not add more size. Let's put limit order here. Aiming to be the 20,000 level of 305. Did the market rally on big market order, buy market order? Because there were at least 60,000 sell orders there, and the market just ate it in a second, as if desperately saying that we will never get this price again, and the stock is going to go higher, so let's push it higher now. Tons of buyers were absorbed, but we might see some pullback now. Very strong buying. Very strong buying in this level. Strong buying continues. Where is TP? EP is at 314, so still a lot of move left actually. Let's start using trailing stop losses. This one I'll exit a bit early. This one I want to hold. This one I really want to hold. This one I don't mind exiting early. Drop down to 306, so we didn't expect it to break any record or anything. Maybe 310 would be the upper limit of the stock. Or maybe it's just, I don't know. Let's just wait. 20,000, 23,000 stocks at this level, 308. Interesting. A lot of sell is being absorbed. A lot of sell is being absorbed at 306. We're not seeing big buy limit orders. These might be iceberg orders. I think sellers are becoming more desperate. But this is the part where you have to wait it out, I guess. The company is struggling at 308 because establishing itself at 308 would mean that the company is strong. You know? Okay, 20,000 buy orders. Really like that. Mm. Iceberg orders. 600, 700 limit orders, but the price does not fall. Okay, big limit order, but not too big. I was thinking maybe it can be a normal order as well. Sometimes people even place normal orders, 300, 200. To classify it as an iceberg order, we need to make sure that it was held at that level for some time. Like 306 was a level where there were iceberg orders. This level was initially being supported, now it's being resisted in some way. Not exactly a good bullish sign, but let's just wait and watch. Because there were 61,000 buyers and the price still failed to go higher. There were 115,000. Okay, that is actually good. Big number of buyers, but the price remains. I did not see if it was uh, iceberg or not. Buyers are not pushing the price anymore. There's something important to note. But they are holding levels. In this case, 25,000 sell orders and it is being maintained. 20,000 sell orders that is being maintained. $32,000, almost 40,000 sell orders. Finally, we see buyers stepping at 305. Stop loss executed. Price continues to plummet. I dropped out because I've seen this pattern many times. It'll touch a low and then go up. If it does not go up in one swift movement, it's best to not take the risk because how many buyers failed here? 7,000 buyers failed. Did not push the price up. The sellers are just too strong right now. This trend belongs to the sellers and now we're expecting a reversal at some price. We are not trading trend anymore. Or should we trade trend? We can still enter the trend. I guess I was late to say that. We cannot enter the trend anymore. It's a 304. There's only move from 304 to 303 now. Oh, I have a buy limit. I forgot. Actually, never mind. Let it trigger. Let's see. If this level is held for another minute, I guess we can go long. You see 304 showing some charisma. And it does not. No, it's okay. Bye, bro.
Look at the consolidation. When it hits 305, अब तो I will have to look at the consolidation setting. बस दो तीन कैंडल consolidate दो तीन कैंडल ऐसे से हुआ होगा. Yeah, and then it ran up now. So when I was going like this, चलो अब तो ये गिरने वाला time to sell this. I went and I sold 30 दो. like 5 ले लूँगा बाकी मैं. And that shit ran up. Then the downfall also I couldn't get downfall because I was busy taking out my positions with minimal loss.
No, I did the same thing. First, I shorted the stock because it was going high and then failing. But it was yeah, I shorted, but then I shorted और मेरा I think stop loss उसी टाइम ट्रिगर हो गया. मैंने बहुत टाइट stop loss लगाया था. Anyway, then I was out of the position and I was watching. I watched 1 minute. This second candle that did not come down. No, I'm like, it's above 302, which is a good sign. And the second candle not coming down. I went long.
Yeah, like check, there is basically consolidation, because when it went 305, I was like, so chalo abhi thoda consolidate karega, and then we can buy. Shit didn't consolidate for shit, bro.
No, it consolidated. No,
I know, for me
this is
consolidation is longer.
no consolidation won't always be long. Consolidation depends on size. अगर थोड़े से लोग है consolidation लंबा चलेगा.
शॉर्ट किया ना मैंने भी, वहाँ पे शॉर्ट किया,
उधर ही शॉर्ट किया था.
उधर ही शॉर्ट.
हाँ तो फिर अब तुम ट्रेड कर, तुमको दिखना पड़ेगा ना कि अब कहाँ पे स्ट्रेंथ है, कहाँ पे वीकनेस है. मैंने टाइट स्टॉप लॉस इसलिए लगाया था बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट सपोज टू गो अप व्हाटसोएवर. इट स्टिल वेंट अप. अब लाइक ये नहीं होना चाहिए था. ये क्यों
दो
हुआ?
खरीद रहा था, जब तक मैं दूसरा खरीदा दोनों ऊपर से आई डिडंट गेट टाइम टू पुट स्टॉप लॉस.
क्योंकि it was not supposed to go up ना. It ended up going up. I'm like ये नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि अगर this is like big move, अगर यहाँ पर से ऊपर जाए तो फिर प्रॉपर ऊपर जाएगा. तो I can't take, I need to put it very tight.
The reversal on top as well.
No. So I'm not trading reversal.
I could have gotten that, so I was too busy taking out my position.
Yeah, this reversal you could have got though because buyers are failing massively. How grandly they failed, I'll show you.
But to be honest, I could not take the reversal.
No, it failed. It failed very, very massively. It came all the way up to 308. उस टाइम अभी तो दिखा नहीं रहा है. 308 पे there were at least 30,000 sell orders. It went. It tried buying all of it. Failed. Came down. Again it tried. This time they were not. Then see. Then you can see sellers desperately sold over here. 16,000 people like shit in sellers. Again they tried selling, but buyers held here. And then again they tried buying in this area. Again they massively bombed. You need in this area, you at least need 16,000 type 3 orders. 16,000 for, and sellers gave us that orders. Again it came 20,000, 15,000. Okay, they still failed. And then sellers gave us those big numbers. I'll show you.
I see you in a position.
Yeah.
Selling or buying?
Buying. What I'm trading now is not part of the plan because that plan is finished. I'm just still trading because I don't know. I'll have to cut all of this BS out.
Consolidation gave me the short also, bro. Consolidation, I put for 10 minutes आराम से चिल करके 15 मिनट चिल करके फिर उठे.
Yeah, थोड़ी होता है. तुम भाई तुम बहुत ज़्यादा चिल करते हो ब्रो. ट्रेड के बीच में.
चिल देखो अब.
नहीं तुम यार चिल कम किया करो. Stay focused. Fucking market is.
That's why I was selling, no. I saw okay, it failed. I was okay, अब तो ये fail होने वाला. Yeah, and then I sold too.
And look at the volume now. Did you look at the volume? Volume anyone can see.
Volume same. नीचे जो volume है उसमें same. और वो दूसरा कैंडल भी रेड था, वो अचानक से ग्रीन हुआ. वो कैंडल ग्रीन हुआ फिर वो भाग गया ऊपर.
Yeah, I guess you were trading disadvantage, man.
जो रेड कैंडल है ना, गोले
This?
हाँ, वो जो दो रेड कैंडल है ना, तीसरा भी रेड ही था. सॉरी, एक रेड था, एक इंडिसिजन था, और तीसरा भी रेड था. अब चलो इंडिसिजन आ गया, या लाइक द ग्रेवयार्ड कैंडल, नॉट ग्रेवयार्ड, वो जो बीच में होता है, 2 weeks long aspects, I forgot what, बटरफ्लाई जो भी है, ड्रैगन फ्लाई. That shit was, and third one was also red. अब चलो अब तो ये गिरेगा. And then the moment it went from red to green, it flew up.
I'll just let the recording run and see you in some time. I'll go rest. I did not rest at all. I'm holding this trade is because at the top the buyers cooled off a bit, but doesn't necessarily mean that the sellers stepped in and pressed on the gas. You know, sellers stepping in, pressing on the gas is a different story, and buyers cooling off a bit, trying to get a good price is a different story. So maybe the the buyer saw that they can get good value, and 108 is not necessarily the price that they have to push. So I'm holding this trade. Assalamu alaikum. I'm making this video after market close, and just want to point out the market did end up going all the way till 310. Its behavior was very impressive. It tried to hold 302. It initially tried to hold 302.5, then 303, and it stayed above 303.3 for quite some time. And finally, it went down to 301.8, our exact line, and it finally rallied into 310 and ended up closing there. So I held the position the entire day. First, I thought of posting the entire recording, but later it did not make any sense to me. So yeah, I just wanted to add a conclusory note. I feel like I leave many of my trades open-ended without concluding any of them. Did I learn anything new from this trade today? One thing I learned about the current market condition is that people are bullish, but not overwhelmingly bullish. They are not exactly motivated to push the prices higher, although they are bullish. If we go take a look at the SPY, okay, interestingly, SPY fell towards the end, but Tesla held. SPY was fairly bullish. Okay, SPY actually did quite well. We are seeing the same trend on SPY. Early sellers, panic sellers, and then rally. So I guess the panic selling continues if we look at SPY one day. SPY made a new high. I think, yeah, SPY made a new high today. So very easy plan. The market wanted to see Tesla stay above 302, and Tesla did exactly that, and Tesla rallied into the close. Just gotta keep trading every day, keep refining ourselves every day, and inshallah we'll get there, inshallah. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Take care. Masalama.